Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming magical membership workshop on healing the adolescent. We've spoken before about healing the inner child. The adolescent is a bit more complex than that. The adolescent holds more complex layers of shame. It holds onto martyrhood. Problems with the adolescent leads to being a martyr, which means you're feeling unappreciated, overburdened, misunderstood. It leads to you feeling various kinds of shame that you can't express, which holds you back, lowers your self-worth, lowers your capacities for success. If you have any of these problems, quite often it's the adolescent he's dealing with. And as I said, it's more complicated than the child. When we learn to heal the adolescent, free him of these complex shame and martyrhood, it frees you to be more naturally rebellious. A healthy level of rebellion leads to stronger boundaries, will, confidence, assertiveness, and authority. When you join this workshop and actually heal the adolescent, you're going to flourish more and become into your full power, when you assert yourself in life and get what you want. And it strengthens your boundaries, not being put down by others and affected by others. And particularly, it's going to overcome this long pattern people have of martyrhood. How do you know you'll be a martyr? Anytime you feel overburdened, misunderstood, and unappreciated. All these things have their roots in the adolescence. When you heal this, those patterns are going to end. You'll be free. So if you'd like to join me in this journey to come free, please join me in the Magical Membership Workshop.